Hi, this is Meir from Meir Traders. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd. It's a new month, and I'm gonna share my recap now. So I did two trades today, one on MDCO and one on ULTA. MDCO had a positive trial on Friday and it gapped up very strong today. It was like up 10% early. So I wanted to take a long, but however, the price action was not supporting a long right out of the gate at the open. So here, let me. Oh, so this was the trade. It popped up very strong and it couldn't go through VWAP. Here, again, it actually was bought up over here, but it couldn't break VWAP. So at that point, I decided to short. I went a little heavier because it wasn't really moving that much, and it didn't have that much range. So I went a little bit heavier, and I was a little nervous. I was watching the level 2. I got an entry. The spread was 20 cents or something. I got an entry at 46.73. I got a bad entry. And right away it went against me here to almost to 47. So I was a little antsy in the trade. I was waiting, and the thing with trading in the first 5 minutes is that it could squeeze terribly against you. I've had that in the past, so you have to be really careful. So that's a downside. The good side is that it can move in your favor very quickly. So right away here, it was breaking. There was like pause in the level 2, so I got afraid. I got chickened out, and I stopped out at 46.90 something. So this was a loss to open my day, which didn't really help because Friday I had a tough day. I didn't do a recap, but I did not have a good day. So this was my first trade. Second trade was ULTA. ULTA, as everyone knows, I had a retarded day on Friday. Friday gapped down here from 335 all the way. It's $100, $100, $300. You're talking about 30% on a stock that's $350. Unbelievable. So I got burnt on this on Friday. I tried being smart and taking a reversal. Twice I tried it and I ended up taking losses on both of them. So I did not have a good feeling going in, but there wasn't much to watch today. There really wasn't a lot of things on the watch list. So I went over. I had this on. I didn't want to do too much revenge or anything. And here it was at the open. Choppy. As I saw, this was holding. Every bottom was lower bottom on the 1 minute. And here it popped above all the VWAP and all the thing. I jumped in here. I went a little bit heavier than I wanted. I got an entry at 234.78, and my stop would be at 234 or these about $1. So a little heavier than I wanted. And I chased. I did not get it. I wanted to get an entry a little bit better. So I was a little antsy and I got out way too early. This was really a mistake. Look how many exits I made. This was something, it's okay. One exit would have been okay. I took off here. So then I took off a couple times here at this level. This was yesterday's low. Then I here made a huge pop for another $1. I took off here the previous day. I took off, and then I got all out when it cracked the previous day. As you see, man, oh man, it's really ripping higher, and who knows where it could go throughout the day. As we saw Friday, this thing had retarded range. So this was a really good trade, P&L wise, and it was a good read as where it's going. Meaning, I had the feeling, I had the sense of where this trade is heading. But two regrets that I have. Number one is I got out way too much too early here. And number two, I should have let some shares run for this big run, and this is something that I'm really trying to focus on, and recognizing that I get out too quickly, and I should let it run for the trend throughout the day. Here, it didn't even test the 9 moving average. Here, it tested it, couldn't even throughout this whole trend. So, really, I was a little antsy. I got out too early. We'll try to focus on that and work on that. And that's my day. I don't have any appetite for more risk for the day, so I'm gonna just end it right here. Any comments is really appreciated. I love the feedback, so please share it with me, and I will try to get back to you. Thank you for watching my recap. All the best. Have a great day.